today's video lesson, we are going to discuss translating verbal phrases into algebraic expressions and vice versa. So, magsimula muna tayo dun sa operation na addition and subtraction. Ano po? So, dito hindi na tayo gumamit ng variables. Ano po? Ang pinakita na natin dito ay mga specific numbers na. And yun na din ang gagamitin natin para i-translate itong mga expression na ito into verbal phrases. So we have here 4 plus 8. Ito. So ito daw po ay pwedeng isulat into words sum 4 plus 8. The sum of 4 and 8. So hindi sila nababaliktad 4, 8, 4 plus 8, the sum of 4 and 8. Pero pagdating sa word na added to, if you use the word added to, mauna si 8. Kasi si 8 daw is added to 4. Si 8 ay dinagdag kay 4. Next, 4 increased by 8. Si 4 dinagdagan ng 8. At 8 more than 4, baliktad rin. Ano po? 8 more than 4 kasi si 8 ay dinagdag din kay 4. Ano po? So yung added to at yung more than, dun lamang po nababaliktad yung given natin na numbers. Okay po? Next, dun naman tayo sa minus. So we have here 9 minus 4 and it can be written down as 9 minus 4. The difference of 9 and 4. Difference po kasi subtraction. Next, dito babaliktad na siya. Bakit? 4 subtracted from 9. Si 4 daw ay ibinawas mula sa 9. And 9 decreased by 4, pareho lang. 9 binawasan daw ng 4. 4 less than 9, babaliktad siya ulit. Mauna naman yung 4 kaysa dun sa 9. And 9 binawasan ng 4 or 9 diminished by 4. So yung subtracted from and 4 less than 9, yung word na subtracted from and less than, dun lamang sila magbabaliktad. Ano po? So here are some algebraic expressions that we are going to translate pa into its verbal phrases. Ano po? So una dyan, may binigay tayo dito example. We have here 3y. Sabi nga natin kanina, kapag may number tayo or constant na may katabing variable, halimbawa ay 3 yung constant at y yung variable, ibig sabihin po niyan, i-multiply natin sila. Okay po? O pwede rin namang dalawang variable, x and y. xy is x times y. Ano po? Kapag may magkatabing dalawang variable, multiply din yun. So 3y can be written as 3 times y. Ano po? Or the product. Bakit the product? Kasi multiply nga. The product of 3 and y. And yung last, 3 multiplied by y. Okay po. Next, meron naman tayo nito. Y divided by 2 or y over 2. Bakit may ganito tayo? Makinig po. Sa algebraic expressions po, bihira na tayong gumamit ng ganitong symbol. Ano po? Sa algebraic expressions, most of the time ang makikita na nating symbol ng division is ganito na. Into its fraction form na ang division. Ano po? Wala na tayong ginagamit masyado ng ganitong symbol. Pero discuss pa rin natin siya. Y divided by 2 or y over 2 or divided by 2 can be written as y divided by 2. Next is the quotient of y and 2. Bakit the quotient? Kasi division to. Ano po? Kapag multiplication, ang sagot is the product. Pero kapag division, the quotient of y and 2. And yung last, the ratio. Alam naman natin na ratio, it can be written as into a fraction form. Ano po? So, the ratio of y and 2. So, wala dyan nababali-baliktad. Ano po? Now, let's proceed here. Ano po? Dito naman tayo. We have here the square root of 16. There are no other translations dyan. Ano po? Square root of 16. Ano po? Kapag may 3 dito, hindi na yung square root. Cube root na yon. Ano po? Kasi 3 na yung nandito niya. Pero ito po, yan ay square root of 16. Now, paano kung meron tayong ganito? Dalawang slanting lines. That is what we call as the absolute value symbol. Kaya, tawag natin dyan sa example natin ito, the absolute value of 2. And meron pa tayo dito, yung last, po? We have here x squared. Familiar naman tayo dyan lahat, x squared or the square of x. And yung last, y cube or the cube of of y. Ulitin ko ano, x squared or the square of x, or ito naman, y cube or the cube of y. Now, let us try to translate the following verbal phrases into an algebraic expression. Ano po? So, gagawin naman natin siyang algebraic expression. So, we have here some verbal phrases po. So, ito yung mga itatranslate natin. Let us proceed to number 1. So, kailangan kapag tayo ay nagtatranslate, unang-una dyan, we need to analyze and then understand, maintindihan agad natin kung ano ba yung dapat ma-form natin na algebraic expression. So, kailangan mas intindihin natin na mabuti yung bawat phrases na meron tayo. So, dito sa number 1, the sum of thrice a number and 8. The sum daw. Sum nung thrice a number and 8. Ibig sabihin, kung sum yung tinutukoy, addition. Ano po? So, we have here addition. The sum of thrice a number and 8. Thrice a number, which means 3 times a number. So, since hindi natin alam ang number, gumamit tayo ng variable. Thrice a number. Gamitin natin variable ay yung 8. So, thrice a number, 3 times a number, and 8. So, ito na yung ating algebraic expression. The sum of thrice a number and 8. Next, the square of the sum of a number and 12. Square daw. So, meaning, raised to 2. Ano po? So, we need to get daw the sum of a number and 12, saka natin i-raise to 2. So, kailangan natin dyan ng parenthesis. Okay po. Sum of a number and 12. Hindi natin alam yung number, gumamit tayo ng variable. Sum of a number, y, and 12. Ano po? May nakalagay the square. So, the square of the sum of a number and 12. So, may square dito. Okay. I-square daw natin yung sum ng number and 12. Next, the difference of 23 and 15. Very basic. Ano? Difference of 23 and 15. We have 23 minus 15. Next is the quotient of 12 and 3. Sabi natin, pag quotient, yan ay i-divide. The quotient of 12 and 3, we can write it as 12 divided by 3 or 12 over 3. The quotient. Next is the sum of 3 times a number and 2. The sum. Ibig sabihin, i-add natin kasi sum. So, the sum of 3 times a number and 2. The sum of 3 times a number. What is 3 times a number? 3 times a number. Gamitin natin ay variable dun sa number. Ano? Sum daw. Pag pinag-add mo daw yung 3 times the number and 2. Ano po? 3 times a number and 2. Yan na yun. The sum of 3 times a number and 2. So, we have here some more examples. Ano po? So, we have here the last two. Ano po? The sum of 6 and 4 divided by 5. Sum. Ano po? Sum of 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Kaso may kadugtong pa siya. Divided by 5. So, pwede natin lagyan siya ng parenthesis. Ano? The sum of 6 and 4 divided by 5. And for our last example, the cube of the difference of 9 and 6. The cube of the difference of 9 and 6. 9 and 6, difference daw nila. So, we have 9 minus 6. Parenthesis. Bakit ito parenthesis? Kasi may nasa unahan tayo. Ano po, huwag kakalimutan na sinabi dyan, the cube daw nung difference ng 9 and 6. Pag sinabing cube, hindi 2. Ano po? Raised to 3. Okay po. That is the cube of the difference of 9 and 6. Okay po. So, for you to be able to write some verbal phrases into its algebraic expression, so, kailangan na mas intindihin natin yung bawat words or mas intindihin natin din yung kabuuang meaning ng bawat verbal phrases na given. Ano po? At the same time, kung kayo din ay ina-ask na yung bawat algebraic expression ay ilipat ninyo or i-translate ninyo into its verbal phrases, try to look closely to each algebraic expressions, then try to construct each verbal phrases clearly at syempre appropriately or tama, or what I mean is exact dun sa algebraic expression na given sa inyo. Ano po? So that would be all for our discussion this day. Thanks for watching.